Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check in online with Thai Lion Air. First, open your web browser and go to bookcabin.com. Once the website loads, select your preferred language. Now click on the check-in option from the menu. Next, choose Thai Lion Air as your airline. Enter your PNR or booking reference number, your surname exactly as it appears on the booking, and your departure date. After entering the required information, click check-in. Your flight and passenger details will now appear on the screen. Carefully review all the information to make sure it is correct. Next, read through the dangerous goods regulations provided by the airline. Once you have reviewed the information, tick the confirmation checkbox to indicate that you understand and accept the regulations. Then click accept. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Click view boarding pass to continue. Your electronic boarding pass will now be displayed. Check all the details on the boarding pass, including your name, flight number, departure time, and seat assignment. If everything looks correct, click download to save the boarding pass to your device. You can print the boarding pass or keep a digital copy on your phone for travel. If you need the boarding pass again later, simply return to bookcabin.com, enter your PNR and surname, and download it again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.